everyone, and welcome to today's product review. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the boAt Airdopes 141 Bluetooth Truly Wireless Earbuds. These earbuds have gained a lot of popularity recently, and we're going to explore why that is. Let's start with the specs. The boAt Airdopes 141 are made by Imagine Marketing Ltd under the brand name boAt. The earbuds are designed to be sweat-proof and come with a built-in microphone and one-touch voice assistant. They are compatible with Bluetooth devices and have a maximum operating distance of 10 meters. In terms of battery life, the earbuds can provide up to 6 hours of nonstop playtime and an additional 36 hours when used with the charging case, which has a Type-C in. The earbuds come with 3 lithium-ion batteries, which are included in the package, along with additional earbuds, a charging cable, a user manual, and a warranty. The boAt Airdopes 141 have a frequency response range of 20 Hz to 20 kHz and a low latency mode that enables real-time audio and low latency. The earbuds also have ENX environmental noise cancellation technology for clear voice calls. The earbuds are rated IPX4 for water and sweat resistance. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of these earbuds. First, the ASAP charge feature provides up to 75 minutes of playtime with just 5 minutes of charging. The Insta wake and pair technology powers on the earbuds as soon as you open the case cover, making it quick and easy to connect to your morning playlist. The earbuds also have a one-touch voice assistant feature, which allows you to summon your default voice assistants with ease. This is a great feature for those who want to keep their hands free while using their device. Lastly, the boAt Airdopes 141 have boAt signature sound, which is known for its immersive auditory experience. The earbuds are designed to deliver clear and powerful sound that can help enhance your listening experience. Now, let's talk about the price. The boAt Airdopes 141 are priced at 1,299 rupees, which is a great value for the features they offer. The earbuds are competitively priced compared to other true wireless earbuds in the market, making them a great option for those who want quality earbuds at an affordable price. In conclusion, the boAt Airdopes 141 Bluetooth Truly Wireless Earbuds are an excellent choice for anyone looking for quality earbuds that offer a great listen. With features like ASAP Charge, Insta Wake and Pair technology, and one-touch voice assistant, these earbuds are designed to make your life easier. Plus, with a price tag of 1,299 rupees, they're a great value for the features they offer. If you're in the market for new earbuds, the boAt Airdopes 141 are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and I hope this review was helpful.